Picture this. You open YouTube and suddenly there's a whole universe of videos just waiting to grab your attention. Here's the secret. You didn't really choose this video. YouTube did. And honestly, it probably already knows what you'll watch next. Maybe even better than you do yourself. But how? In today's video, we're going to find exactly that out. The algorithms behind YouTube and all of your favorite social media. Behind the scenes, YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, and pretty much every platform you love use some seriously clever math and algorithms. They learn from billions of choices people make every single day, creating patterns out of chaos. Think of it like decoding a secret map of human curiosity. Imagine every video as a tiny dot in a giant network. When people watch one video and then another, a connection forms between those dots. When millions of people do the same thing, the connection gets thicker and stronger. This is graph theory in action. It's a way of modeling relationships. In this case, the connection means people watched both. This web of connections is like a living, breathing map of how humans explore ideas online. And get this, the algorithm doesn't actually need to understand any of the context. It just follows the breadcrumbs that people leave behind. So if you watch this video and lots of other people who watched it also clicked on another explainer video, well, the system quietly thinks that that explainer video might be the one that you like next. Now let's dive deeper. This idea is called collaborative filtering. Simply put, if two people watch a lot of the same videos, chances are that their tastes overlap. So if one of them discovers something new, the other might love it too. It's like when your friend recommends a movie because you like that one, so you'll probably enjoy this one as well. Except the difference is that this friend has billions of data points. Behind the scene, there's a huge table showing who watched what. It's mostly empty since no one really watches everything. This table is technically a matrix. To fill in the blanks, the system uses a clever math trick called matrix factorization. Matrix factorization breaks that massive table into two smaller ones. One describes users by their hidden interests. The other describes videos by their hidden features. When you multiply these two matrices back, you get a prediction on how much someone might like a video that they've never seen before. What's amazing is these interests and features aren't assigned manually. They emerge from the data itself. Maybe you're into slow-paced science videos sprinkled with humor, even if no one technically tagged those traits. The magic of discovering hidden tastes was what helped Netflix win its famous recommendation challenge. Now, YouTube takes these ideas and powers them up using deep neural networks. First, a candidate generation stage narrows millions of videos down to a few hundred tailored to your watching habits. Then, a ranking stage scores these candidates to predict what you'll watch the longest, click on, or enjoy the most. Imagine walking into a humongous library. The first algorithm grabs a shelf you might like. The second lines up those books so that the first one you pick is exactly what you want right now. The ranking looks at tons of details. For example, how recently you watched similar content, what device you're using, your watch patterns, even how long you hover over thumbnails before clicking. Each detail is a neuron in a giant network that keeps learning with every surprise viewer behavior. Every click, skip, or pause feeds back into the system. It tweaks its weights, strengthening or weakening connections. That's how recommendations stay fresh and feel so eerily right, because they're always evolving with all of us together. The network is alive. New videos light up new nodes, and old ones dim out. Trends flow through like waves. And behind it all, the system is quietly predicting the next chapter of billions of online journeys. Netflix adds another twist with models that watch how your preference changes over time, whether it's weekdays or weekends, whether it's during the morning or the evening hours. TikTok pushes this even further, using reinforcement learning to tweak suggestions minute by minute based on how long you watch. Different platforms, different data, same algorithmic DNA, predicting what you'll love before you know it yourself. Here's the kicker. These algorithms don't just guess your tastes, they help create them. Every choice you make teaches the system, and every video it recommends shapes the choice you make next. You and the algorithm are in a constant feedback loop, learning and evolving together. From a tech perspective, it's brilliant. But from a human one, it's worth pausing to think about. The algorithm doesn't understand meaning or truth, it just notices patterns. To it, curiosity is data and nothing more. This can actually lead to something called the echo chamber effect. And maybe that's a topic for an entire future video by itself. So definitely stay tuned for that one. But until then, remember, the next time you click on a video, it's not a random guess. It's a complex dance of billions of human decisions, a living, beating web of collective attention. And somehow, just like now, it found you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing, because this is a brand new channel that's going to decode everything from science and engineering concepts to various algorithms and maybe even paradoxes that haunt this entire planet. We're going to go into maybe a lot more detail than we went into in this video, but we're going to keep it simple and digestible so that everyone can understand the various algorithms and thought processes that shape everything they do in their day-to-day lives. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and until the rest of these videos come out, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to stay curious.